Woo, hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive or not, depending on your portfolio right now, guys and gals. So, guys, we need to talk about what's going on with the crypto markets right now. We need to absolutely talk about what's going on, what you should be doing. And I know a lot of you out there are panicking. A lot of you are kind of like wondering what's going on. And I'm going to tell you some of the bottom, where the bottoms are for most of the cryptocurrencies and what we can see absolutely happening in the next couple of days. So, from that perspective, I just want you guys to understand one thing, that I'm in the same boat as you. My portfolio is also not looking so good right now as well. So I just want you guys to understand that, from that perspective, I know how you're feeling. I know that, crypto is crashing right now. Crypto is tanking. And, from that perspective, I feel your pain. I feel the same pain that you're going through. My portfolio is also down considerably right now as well. And, it's not a good place to be, but I just want to reassure each and everybody out there that, I have seen this time and time again. And, you guys just have to take it in stride, and things will go back up. Things will go back up. They always do. Right now we're seeing a huge amount of red everywhere, and we're seeing that, Bitcoin has dropped almost 8% right now. Not Bitcoin, but the whole total market cap is down almost like 8% right now. So the market cap is also not looking good. It is tanking. But, we have absolutely been here before. We've been here many times before in the past. And I still think that, from my perspective, let's talk about the bottoms. And then also we need to talk about Celsius as well out there, because there's some concerning things that are happening with Celsius. And we need to talk about that, and you guys need to take some precautions with regard to Celsius out there. So, I'm trying to keep calm. I'm not going to hype this up or go nuts on the video. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Just OG expressing his opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So I just want to talk from the heart, talk straight, and tell you guys what to expect and what is going on. So one of the main reasons that we're seeing that crypto markets have gone down is because of the inflation scare that we had the other day. We were forecasted to hit 8.3, but in fact we went down to 8.6. So what that caused was, it caused a huge tech sell-off. It caused a huge tech sell-off on Wall Street, and because of that, the DXY also has gone up because the inflation rates in Europe have gone up and the UK have gone up, and their currency has weakened, so the DXY is up. That's putting additional sell pressure on Bitcoin. We're seeing that after Bitcoin went down. And it mainly went down because stocks have gone down. So, people are panicking. We're seeing that a lot of the sell pressure right now is coming from a lot of the retail investors out there. So there's still people buying. Whales are still buying. I did DCA. I did pick up some more Bitcoin today as well. I did some balance. I rebalanced my portfolio a little bit. I got out of some altcoins, and I have picked up some more Bitcoin. And I believe that for Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is trading around about $27,483. Now I did mention yesterday that for me, from my perspective, the absolute bottom for me for Bitcoin is going to be about 26,500. So that's the absolute bottom for me, and I believe that we could go down as that far. We're seeing that we do see some possible market maker downward vectors, and these downward vectors could be coming in at 26.5. They could be going as low as $21,000. So if we get close to that $21,000, then the miners are going to start to sell. And if the miners do start to sell, then you could see that Bitcoin could tank to $13,000 now. So from that perspective, all is not lost. I mean, if you're a hodler right now, you're not feeling good. You're feeling a lot of pain, a lot of anxiety, and you're just wondering, when is this whole thing going to turn around and go back up, guys? So your guess is as good as mine out there right now. I think that we're going to need at least 48 hours to 72 hours for this whole crash to wash out. Bitcoin it's going down. I mean, right now we're down in the last 24 hours. We're on about 6.5, 7% in the house. We're seeing Ethereum is getting slaughtered again. It is down 12.61% at time of recording. Ethereum is below $1,500, guys. So from my perspective, the psychological lows, as I said, for Ethereum is around about $1,200, or to be more precise, about $1,188. So you guys could definitely expect that coming in. But for the buyers out there, this is a good opportunity. This is an absolutely good opportunity. So I'm going to be waiting, from my perspective, I'm going to be waiting for my bank to open on Monday, and I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin. I'm going to be buying some more Ethereum. Even though the Ethereum 2.0, the merge, has been delayed out there a little bit, and that could take us to the end of August now because of that, the merge testnet rhapsoding was completed. But one of the other phases that they were going to do, they just decided to delay it. I don't know why Vitalik decided to delay it, but he delayed it. So that's what's going on from that perspective. We're also seeing that the Doge right now is not doing too good. Doge is down 14% right now. So Doge is, it's not only taking a nap. Doge is falling off the cliff right now, and it's down 14%. And it's at 66.5 cents right now at time of recording. So that is what's going on. DOT is down as well. It's down about 13%. We're seeing everything crashing down to the depths of hell right now. And we're seeing a lot of blood on the streets. The only thing that is positive right now is, USTD and the Binance USD, but everything is down. Like Tether's still up. You're going to see the stable coins are up. Cardano's taking a hit as well. It's down about 15% right now, and that's at 50 cents. So hopefully the 50 cent level will hold. As I said earlier, the low that I see for Cardano is about 41 cents. The low that I see for Doge, we could be going down to 4 cents. So buckle up, get ready for that one. So that is really what's going on in the market. I know it's pretty troubling right now. I know that you guys feel that the end is near, and things could continue to go down. And I'm telling you, things could continue to go down. But from that perspective, I always advise people never sell at a loss. Try not to do that. This is a good, from my perspective, it's a great time, a good opportunity to be buying. And what I would do is, if you do have some cash on the sidelines, absolutely not financial advice, is what you should do is don't buy everything all at once. I mean, don't use all your dry powder to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, or whatever projects you want to ape into. And speaking about projects you want to ape into, you need to stay in the top 50. Do not go below the top 50 because these things are going to be very volatile. And from my perspective, I would have a higher degree of Bitcoin and Ethereum in anything that you're buying right now. So, even the layer 1, layer 2 is a little bit sketchy right now. I would just stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum for the most part right now. Don't put all your dry powder in all at once. You want to be able to catch. Any more lows that are coming in. So that's what I'm recommending. It's not financial advice. So, like I said, Monday I'm going to be transferring some fiat currency to my exchanges, so I can start buying some dips. Definitely going to be picking up some Ethereum and some Bitcoin, and I'm going to basically be staying with that. So that's what I'm going to be doing from that perspective. Now, also, let's talk about Celsius. What is going on with Celsius right now? So Celsius is having a liquidity problem right now. As you know, that most of Celsius's Ethereum has been staked on the Ethereum 2.0 platform, pending the release of Ethereum 2.0. So there looks like there's been a couple runs on Celsius. About 50,000 Ethereum have been taken off exchanges as well. So they seem to be having a liquidity problem. There are concerns that because there's been also a lot of FUD about Celsius right now, that a lot of individual holders are also withdrawing their crypto. It's kind of like manifest destiny, right? Someone takes out 50,000 Ethereum. FUD starts to spread that Celsius is having problems. Then the individual investors like you and me, we start taking our crypto out, and then what happens is what is not true then becomes a reality. So what I'm advising everyone to do out there is just to be cautious right now. If you do have a Celsius account, you may want to think about removing your crypto, moving it to another exchange, or you may want to just put it in a hardware wallet or a software wallet. So that's what I did yesterday. I removed all of my Bitcoin off Celsius. I removed all of my crypto, the balance of my crypto today, and I moved it to a hardware wallet and another exchange. Because I want to get the APY. I don't want just my crypto sitting around doing nothing. I want to earn some interest on that. So I moved. I'll be honest. I moved from Celsius to Binance out there. So I moved most of the stuff to Binance, and I'm just staking it right now as well. So remember, you guys have to remember, if you don't control the private keys, you don't control the crypto. So if exchanges do go bankrupt, then you don't have access to the crypto. You could either wait a while, or you may lose some crypto. So just be careful about that. If you're planning on holding your crypto a long time, then it is really advisable that you put it on a hardware wallet. So guys, I'm really sympathetic with all of you out there. I absolutely know out there that you guys are not feeling the love. You guys are not feeling so wonderful about crypto right now. Nobody is. I mean, my portfolio is looking like poo-poo schmata out there. But from my perspective, I'm still confident. I'm still a believer, an absolute believer out there that 2025 things are going to be back to normal, and your portfolio may look bad now, but it's going to be looking a hell of a lot better than where it was at all-time highs this year. So from that perspective, that also brings you into the next segue: is never invest more than you're willing to lose. Because with crypto, because it's volatile, if you can't hold your crypto for a long period of time, then that's how you end up losing money, unless you want to day trade. But day trading and leverage trading, you're always going to lose out there, because the market makers are always going to work against you. So from that perspective, keep that in mind, that never invest more than you're willing to lose. So guys and gals, this is just a little bit of opioid. I want you guys to be more positive out there. I want you guys to be positive. And remember, there are positive opportunities, and this is a huge buying opportunity, guys, because if you buy now, this will bring down your strike price, which is going to be really beneficial. And if you bring down your strike price, then you're going to be in profit sooner than before. So that's all you can do. That's what I'm going to be doing on Monday. I'm going to be transferring a whole bunch of fiat to my crypto exchanges, and I'm going to be buying crypto like a madman out there. So I just want to keep this video serious. I don't want to be hyping it up and woo crypto to the moon and all that kind of stuff. Crypto is looking not good right now. Crypto is absolutely looking not good, particularly for the long-term holders right now. Our portfolios are down, but if you have diamond hands and dollar cost average, you're not going to worry about it, because like me and like you out there, you're willing to wait a long-term 2025. So that's when the money is going to be made. But this is a good buying opportunity, guys. Absolutely good buying opportunity. So guys, I just want to say God bless you. Remember, the OG, I'm feeling your pain. Remember, I'm in the same boat with you guys. I am absolutely in the same boat with you guys. But I'm not selling a thing out there. I'm going to be buying more, and that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. So I'm trying to keep positive. I've seen this before. With the crypto markets will turn around. We will get back up there. So I just want to say I love you guys to death. I love you all out there, and without you, this channel wouldn't be possible. So guys, once again, don't forget to boop the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats if you want to go down there. Check out the linky, share the links, and don't forget to buy the merch, guys. I would appreciate it. So guys, I just want to say God bless you. This is the OG. Peace out.